So guys, I got some chocolate. Kuya! Doble hazelnut nuts bread. White chocolate. Oh no, that's a cover. Finally, the real choco. Wait, another the cover. I strongest. Oh, chocolate. I pretend touch.